I build our home with bleeding hands, laid it bricks with love and plans. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just walk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wore your cup, I fix your tie. Watch you gaze your dreams and fly. I gave you wings, I stayed behind. But now you're gone, and so it's time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touch the floor. Even pain begins to fade, but the love is always stays. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear you call, to hear you say that I remember who you are. But wishes don't go that far, so I sing here on this stage, old and tired and full of ache. Not for good, not for fame, just to call out your name. Still waiting, still the same.